Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Um, Today I'm going to start a very new software which is called Fusion 360, which is by Autodesk. So this is the introduction of Fusion 360. I'm not going to show any model or whatsoever, but we'll see what is Fusion 360 and we'll get to know what the software can do for us. So Fusion 360 is basically a modeling uh, software which is very famous nowadays because of its easy to use functions and all those. So in Fusion 360 you can do CAD commands, CA, which is computer aided engineering. So Fusion 360 offers not only in design or 3D modeling, we can do simulation, we can do documentation, we can do generative drafting. You can see 3D modeling over here, the simulations over here, the generative drafting we can do documentation. And as we know that it's a cloud-based program, so we can do collaborations with other colleagues or designers, and we can do the CAD plus CAM integration in the Fusion 360. So why do we need to use Fusion 360? So the basic reason is because of its usability. It's very simple, and the options which we get in Fusion 360 are very accurate and easy for anyone to get to know. And then also we can do a lot of different tasks related to design engineering and like simulation and all. So you can download the software from Autodesk website. You can download it for trial for 30 days, or if you are a student you can get it for free. That's all for this video. See you in the next video very soon. Thank you so much. Peace.